My name is Todd Coder. My role at Fast Slow Motion is a Salesforce Relationship Manager, and I live in Birmingham, Alabama. As a Salesforce Relationship Manager, I connect directly with the Salesforce account executives and a number of folks inside the Salesforce ecosystem. It's my job to tell them the story of FSM and to give them the ability to contact directly with our company. There are way too many things to list in terms of what I enjoy about Fast Slow Motion. One thing that has really impressed upon me in the short time that I've been here is the ability to have the culture that we have. Everybody works remote, but it feels like a very intertwined and very calculated and connected office at the same time. Everybody's on the same team, everybody's working towards the same goal, and we all strive and intend to be blessing to others that we encounter and people that we communicate and work with on a day-to-day basis. I would encourage anyone with the slightest bit of interest for working for Fast Slow Motion to explore the options. Again, it's been so dynamic for me, for my career, for my family, it's affected me on all different levels. And I think that if there's any interest at all for someone to join the team at Fast Slow Motion, that going down that path needs to happen.